Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is XiTuanYuan 8PCS Fan Clutch Removal Toolkit. When it comes to automotive maintenance, having the right tools can make a significant difference in both efficiency and results. The XiTuanYuan 8PCS Fan Clutch Removal Toolkit, including the 43,300 pneumatic fan clutch wrench, is a well-designed solution that brings together durability, versatility, and affordability. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast who enjoys working on your own vehicle, this toolkit is built to meet your needs and exceed expectations. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is its strong build quality. Each tool in the set is made from high-quality, heavy-duty materials that are designed to withstand repeated use. Automotive repair often involves dealing with tightly secured components, and fan clutches are no exception. These tools are engineered to handle that pressure without bending or breaking, ensuring reliable performance every time. This durability makes the kit a long-term investment rather than a short-term solution. The inclusion of the 43,300 pneumatic fan clutch wrench is a major advantage. This specialized tool provides additional torque, allowing users to remove even the most stubborn fan clutches with ease. In many cases, removing a fan clutch manually can be frustrating and time-consuming. However, with the pneumatic wrench, the process becomes significantly faster and more efficient. This not only saves time, but also reduces physical effort, making the job more comfortable. Another standout feature of the XiTuanYuan toolkit is its wide compatibility. It is specifically designed to work with popular vehicle brands such as Ford, GM, Chrysler, and Jeep. This makes it an incredibly versatile choice for anyone who works on multiple types of vehicles. Instead of purchasing separate tools for different brands, this one kit can handle a variety of applications. This level of compatibility adds tremendous value and convenience for users. The 8-piece configuration of the kit further enhances its practicality. Each tool serves a specific purpose, allowing for precise and efficient work. The variety of sizes and shapes ensures that you have the right tool for different fan clutch designs. This versatility makes the kit suitable for a wide range of automotive tasks, not just limited to a single function. As a result, it becomes a reliable addition to any toolbox. Comfort and safety are also carefully considered in this product. The inclusion of gloves is a thoughtful addition that improves the overall user experience. Working with automotive components can be rough on the hands, especially when dealing with tight or greasy parts. The gloves provide a better grip and protect your hands from dirt, cuts, and abrasions. This small detail reflects the attention given to user convenience. Ease of use is another important benefit of this toolkit. Even if you are not highly experienced in automotive repair, you'll find these tools intuitive and straightforward to use. The design allows for a secure grip and precise handling, reducing the chances of mistakes. This makes the kit suitable for beginners as well as professionals, giving everyone the confidence to perform repairs effectively. One of the most appealing aspects of the XiTuanYuan 8PCS Fan Clutch Removal Toolkit is its affordability. In the world of automotive tools, specialized equipment can often be expensive. However, this kit offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. It provides excellent value for money by combining multiple tools into one package at a reasonable price. This makes it accessible to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professionals. In addition to being economical, the kit helps save money in the long run. By enabling you to perform your own repairs and maintenance, it reduces the need for costly visits to the mechanic. Over time, this can lead to significant savings. It also gives you greater control over your vehicle's maintenance, allowing you to address issues promptly. The compact and organized design of the kit is another advantage. The tools are easy to store and transport, making them convenient for both garage use and on-the-go repairs. Whether you are working at home or need to carry your tools to a job site, this kit ensures that everything is neatly arranged and readily accessible. Performance-wise, the XiTuanYuan toolkit delivers consistent and reliable results. Each tool is designed to function efficiently, helping you complete tasks quickly and accurately. This reliability is essential in automotive work, where precision and dependability are crucial. With this kit, you can work with confidence, knowing that your tools will perform as expected. Another important benefit is the reduced risk of damage to vehicle components. Using improper tools can lead to stripped parts or broken components, resulting in additional expenses. This kit is specifically designed for fan clutch removal, ensuring that the job is done safely and correctly. This not only protects your vehicle, but also enhances the overall quality of your work. In conclusion, the XiTuanYuan 8PCS fan clutch removal toolkit is a highly practical, durable, and economical choice for anyone involved in automotive repair. Its strong construction, wide compatibility, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The inclusion of the pneumatic wrench and protective gloves further enhances its functionality and convenience. If you are looking for a reliable toolkit that offers excellent performance without a high price tag, this product is an outstanding option. It meets a wide range of needs, simplifies complex tasks, and ensures that your investment is worthwhile. Choosing this toolkit means choosing efficiency, quality, and smart spending, making it a purchase you can feel confident about without worrying about wasting your money.